Linar Parker. I represent Invest Hong Kong. We are a department of Government of Hong Kong dedicated towards facilitating FDIs into Hong Kong. So essentially what we do is we help foreign companies, startups, SMEs, corporates set up and do business in and around of Hong Kong. Being a government agency, we offer all of our services free of cost, complimentary and absolutely confidential. Our aim is to handhold these startups or these companies to come to Hong Kong, explore the landscape of Hong Kong, do business in Hong Kong, and with that in mind, we as a government department, we will be able to help you, without this throughout this journey. This happens to be my first time to coming in Coimbatore, and I'm really thankful to Startup Tamil Nadu. They have given us an excellent platform. I'm really happy with the kind of arrangement they've done for the global companies, the global startups, or the global pavilions. It is very interesting to see the kind of startups that are coming today. Yesterday was a very engaging day. There were beautiful sessions arranged by Startup TN. I have a speaking session today, so I look forward to all of the startup community to join our session and understand what Hong Kong has to offer, not only for startups but for all stages of companies. About the benefits of Hong Kong and why you should choose Hong Kong. Hong Kong is precisely placed in the epicenter of the Asia. So if you look at the map, Hong Kong connects every Asian countries within 5 hours of flight duration. So you get excellent connectivity. More importantly, Hong Kong gives you a direct entry to mainland China, which none of the Asian countries are able to offer. We are a very tax-friendly city. We offer two-tier tax rate system, which is capped at 16.5% flat. We are a free trade port. There is excellent opportunities for companies doing trade from India to global or maybe Asian countries. We are encouraging companies to come to Hong Kong, explore what Hong Kong has to offer in terms of logistics, connectivity. The people are the English is a business language, so not many people know, thinking that China, it's a part of mainland China, so people understand that Chinese is the more dominating language there, but it's not the case. To understand what Hong Kong is, the landscape of Hong Kong, we encourage each and everyone to travel to Hong Kong. Reach out to us. I am based out of Mumbai office. You can visit our stall today. You can talk to us. You can understand how we can help you connect to people in Hong Kong.